What is going on, guys? Daily R's back in with another video. Today we're going all for a massive bike ride. We actually haven't ridden a bike since we were like 17. We got Michael here. What's going on? What's going on? We got Martin. What's going on? We got Chris. What's going on? He's a big drug dealer. What's going on? We got fun. Yeah, guys. Anyways, we're gonna go on a mission of a bike ride. Where are we going, boys? Where are we going? We're actually gonna go pump up our tyres first. Then we're gonna head off to Thomastown McDonald's. See you guys soon. I really miss you guys. It's actually gonna be a really long ride, and it's like 7:30, and I think it gets dark at 8. So I think we're gonna be riding back in the dark. I think you can hear the wind through the mic, so sorry about that. Yeah. Whoa, I gotta start braking. Ooh. I'm gonna fall. Oh, I'm alright. What's going on? How are ya? Alright. Someone dropped a mad skid here. Boys! We haven't ridden our bikes in that long. I swear, the last time I saw all of us riding like this was about fucking 4 years ago, I swear. Hey guys, I'm G'd for a feed from Macca's. I really like the jalapeno burgers there. Nice and chili-ish.
Cut the corners, bro.
Let's go, bros! Let's go! We got all the boys here. We're like 20 years old. We're still riding bikes. Yeah, boys. Hey, right?
Yeah.
What's going on? Cunts on ice. Anyways, we're gonna be driving past Sebsy's house.
Oh, full on.
Getting a bit tired here. Nice red car. There's a car wash here, guys. It's called Bubba's Car Wash. I used to go there all the time when I first got my license. Wash my black Magna. It's a really nice day today. Nice blue skies, sunset's happening. You guys know what I mean? Here's a car wash. We're just gonna head to BP. BP's just down there. We're nearly there, guys, we're nearly there. What's going on, Chris?
What's going on?
How's life?
Yeah, good, man.
Fucking love riding bikes, bro. We're gonna be riding every week, guys, so a new video every week about riding bikes. Let's do it. Where's the air pump?
Yeah, alright.
It smells like petrol. Well, no shit, we're at a petrol station. Oh, I'm using my phone here. Shouldn't be using your phone at a petrol station, guys. Very dangerous. Dangerous for the... You know what? I reckon that's all bullshit. Straight out. My phone's not gonna fucking ignite a fire. You know what I mean? I swear we have been here for the past 20 minutes. They're just pumping their tyres. That's my bike there, guys. The red and white one. I swear, it's like nearly dark and they're still pumping up their tyres. They're just draining it. Anyways, guys, how have you been? I've been great myself. I made a video today changing my oil in my car, but it was really boring, so didn't want to post it. Decided to just make this bike riding video, you know what I mean? For subscribers, for you guys, all for you guys. I love you guys. If you're watching this video at the moment, please press subscribe. Give it a like. Help me boost my channel. I really want to be famous one day. Know what I mean? Especially when people tell you you won't make it. But if you think about it, every famous YouTuber, every single one, every YouTuber on this planet, everyone started off with 0 subscribers. Every single one. And surprisingly, I'm on... He's just doing a skid, man. Like, it's crazy, man. Yeah. Everyone started with 0 subscribers. And I really want to boost my channel. Because I actually believe that one day... This is why you shouldn't hang around with Lebanese people. They're just nuts. Anyways, yeah, I'll believe that one day I will be famous. I'm the biggest aerator, bro. Anyways, yeah, one day I'll be famous all because of you guys, my supporters, my subscribers, the people that like my videos. You know what I mean? You know what I mean, guys? It's all for you. Me recording these videos, editing them, it's all for you. You know what I mean? They're just watching me like just talk to the camera, you know what I mean? Anyways, let's go for a bike ride. We're currently taking the back streets towards KFC. We were gonna go Macca's, but the boys decided we'll go KFC instead. I love KFC. All the boys riding. We got Martin! Martin! I haven't seen him ride a bike since he was like 11. What's going on, bros? Boys! Who's Jade for a feed? Oi, Chris! What's going on, Mr. Ladbrokes? Give Ladbrokes a shout out.
Yeah, shout out to Ladbrokes and Crown Bet.
Shout out to Ladbrokes and Crown Bet for making the world a better place. Martin! Martin! You're a sick comer. We're nearly there, guys. Got to turn right, then left. Then we will hit KFC. Oh, you Hungry Jacks or KFC? KFC? Any cars?
You hope not. I was fucking following clean up.
Bad.
Look at that. Look at that.
Look at the boys, all the boys, all the boys. Left. We're here. We're here, guys. We're gonna munch out on some KFC. Cruising down the street in my mountain bike, road bike, whatever it's called. I think there's a car coming behind us. Let's go up to the side of the road. What's going on, bros? We hit. This is Hungry Jack's just here. And this is KFC. Woohoo! Yeah. Yeah. We were just parked up here at KFC.
Oh, you won't get a uni.
I really like Morgan's bike. Scott, you like it, Mike?
It's good, mate.
I really like your haircut. It's nice.
Thanks, brother.
Bro, you look like you just came out of jail.
Hard.
You're a sick. We got Fuddy Dudley. Old BMX. Yeah, boys, let's order some KFC, bros. Let's order some KFC. Who's not sneezing? It's Chris, 100%.
Yeah.
Oh, Chris, are you getting something to eat?
Nah, bro.
Maybe just a popcorn chicken?
I don't know my card. Yeah, good thanks.
Anyways, Martin's giving us a lecture about how we should keep fit every Sunday and go for bike rides.
Oh shit.
What did you say?
Tell us
Where are
the
you?
lecture.
What did you say from KFC?
We're bike rides every Sundays, get fit.
You're a sick.
Stop punching Darius.
Why has everyone shaved their head? He shaved his head.
Someone told me, that's why.
He shaved
Chris
his
about
head.
to shave his head. Chris
Bud
said
shaved
he's
his
gonna do
head.
it. Chris gonna do it.
Chris,
Are you
wasn't I meant to give you a haircut this weekend?
Yeah, bro.
Why did he come past house yesterday?
Yeah. Oh, did you get your haircut yesterday?
Yeah, I cut his hair yesterday.
Yeah, you didn't tell me, but I'm fucking meant to know. I meant to message you yesterday. Are you coming for Bud's hair today?
Who has the white
Hey,
Swift?
take your head off?
What?
Hey, who has the white Swift?
Which one?
The one that screamed out at us before.
I don't know, man.
Ah, no.
Like, hey guys! And then all you hear is Chris scream out, show us your titties! I'm like, what do you mean, bro? And he's like, just show us your titties! I'm just kidding, guys, I'm just kidding.
No. Chris? Show us your titties?
Chris is the biggest sick cunt. He won $6 grand over the past weekend.
But you're shouting KFC.
And this bloke is always on his phone. Oh, this is such a big junkie, it's a big... Yeah, guys, so what I got was 3 wicked wings and popcorn go bucket. Popcorn go bucket. Popcorn go bucket. What'd you get?
A wrap.
You got a wrap? Have
Don't
you
mean-
ever
don't
tried a
mean-
wrap?
Don't mean a chicken.
Are they nice?
Good.
Let's munch out, guys. Let's munch out. Anyways, I really like popcorn chicken. I feel sorry for vegans because they can't try it. Not bad. Not bad. The vegans are destroying this earth. They're eating all the grass.
Who's vegan? Who's vegan?
Which means
Who's vegan?
you are.
Who's vegan?
Anyways, vegans are destroying.
Say the name.
Shut up! I'm fucking trying to record here, cunt. He's the worst cunt. I'm trying to record. He's fucking just drilling my head in. Anyways,
Who's vegan?
vegans are eating up all the grass, which means there's no more grass for cows. Which means
we can't get milk.
there's no more cheese. There's no milk. There's no steak. There's no more chickens. Fuck, it's nice. Boy, there's nothing better than wicked wings.
Are
you ready?
ready?
Oh my god. It's so good. Oh my god. Anyway, guys, check out the other channel called Break Factor. Link in the description. Check out Cradley Vlogs. Link in the description. Shout out to Dion Dollars. Shout out to all my other fans. Shout out to Chris Lantini, big gambler. Shout out to Martin for always ruining my videos while I'm trying to record.
Fuck you can't.
Shout out to Mock Entertainment.
What is your message to the subscribers?
Ali's the biggest faggot, man.
My name's Daily Owls. Daily Owls.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, just gonna finish my food. Actually, I'll show you my next chicken wing. Ready? See this one? That tender, luscious chicken wing. Ready? Are you guys ready for this? Oh my god.
Oh my god, so good. Oh my god.
It's so good. It's so good.
Oh.
Yeah, guys, back again. We still at KFC. It's really dark outside, so this is why I'm gonna record here.
Going after that.
We're gonna ride back to my place. Wait, back to Fud's house. We're gonna go to my place. We're gonna set up a shisha.
Take your time, though.
Shisha is
Be a while. Huh?
you should know what a shisha is. I shouldn't have to explain. Anyways, we're gonna go back to my place now.
Yeah.
See you soon. I don't know if you guys can see, but we're just riding out of KFC now. It's about 8:30. Go back to ride to my place Sunday night. Kick back. It's really dark, so sorry guys if you can't see anything. There's just a car coming behind us. Ooh, it's turbo diesel. Nice. I don't know if you guys can see, but we're just riding out of KFC now. It's about 8:30. Go back to ride to my place Sunday night. Kick back. It's really dark, so sorry guys if you can't see anything. There's just a car coming behind us. Ooh, it's turbo diesel. Nice. Yeah guys, what's going on? It's actually really nice weather tonight. It's not that bad. I love it when it's like warm and cold, but like not windy. We've got Nasita here. What's going on, Nasita? Tired as. Just got back to Fud's house.
What'd you buy?
It's just on the pole. I'm chucking it in Nasita's car. Yeah, we're gonna chuck my bike in Nasita's car so we can head off to my place. Farm wrecked. I haven't ridden a bike in ages. You guys, we got the boys over now. We got the boys over. We got some mosquito repellent. There's one up there too. What's going on, Martin? What is going on, Martin? Martin just got out of rehab
Yeah.
for smoking methamphetamine.
Yeah. Just like you.
Done.
That's where we met.
What's going on, mate? Mosquito got the gold rings on. He's the most rich person I've ever met in my life. He's a big tab lover. We got the other tab over here. What are you on? Who's that, bro?
I'm a fucking idiot.
Who's that, bro? Who got Chris Halal?
We just lives in Melbourne.
He just bought a GQ Patrol.
Oh, you don't.
What's going on?
What's going on, mate?
Why is everyone laughing for? Hey, how's this shisha going? Biggest lemo. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching my video. Like and subscribe. Make sure to leave a thumbs up. I'm watching. And we'll catch you back on another Daily Oz. Tommy!